Today we are making sure that we are planning self-care into your everyday life, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now, normally when we think of self-care, we think of long soaks in the tub or a weekend away with the girlfriends. But true self-care can be worked into your everyday life so that you're taking care of yourself on a regular basis, so you don't need to get away from it all on a regular basis. So there isn't this great need to escape from it all and go away for the weekend or take a long soak just to get away, right? So today I have 5 tips for you so that you can plan self-care into your everyday so that you don't need to escape. Okay, let's get right into it. I have here the current treasure box, and inside are lots of things that I've curated for you to be able to take time for yourself. Every box has a magical theme, but that does not mean that there's magical items in here. This isn't a Harry Potter box, this isn't a witch box. This is a self-care and stationery box for stationery lovers who just want to take a little bit more time for themselves. This box's theme is charms, so there are lots of charming things in here to help you take time for yourself and add a little magic to your day. Now, this isn't a true unboxing because I don't, at the moment of filming, have everything that goes inside, but I do have quite a few things and I'm going to use them to help you show how you can add some time for yourself every day, take care of yourself so you don't need to escape from your everyday life. Now, I'm going to start with my absolute favorite item from this box, and this is this adorable little charm bracelet with Liberty fabric with a good luck charm on it. Charm bracelet, it's not much of a stretch there with the theme, but how this bracelet can help you take time for yourself is you can use it as a reminder. As you're going through your daily life and you notice, oh yeah, there's my bracelet, attach a task to seeing your bracelet. So when you see it, maybe you stop and you take 5 deep breaths. Or maybe you write down 3 things that you're grateful for. Or it could be a reminder for you to drink your water. Anything that you think that you'd like to do more of in your everyday, attach that task to your bracelet and when you notice your bracelet. Now, if you're wearing this bracelet every day, you're going to get used to it. You're going to see it often and then you're just not going to see it anymore. It's just going to become part of your everyday. So you could change it up, wear a different bracelet on a different day, wear it on your other wrist, or not wear it all the time. You can just wear it every second day or once a week or something. When you need to do something or when you want to add a little bit more of that self-care into your day, that's when you should wear it, or that's when you should switch it to the other wrist. Number 2 is a favorite activity of mine, and that is to sit with a cup of tea and just sit. There are 2 tea bags in every treasure box. This time is English breakfast. How charming is that? To have a cup of tea and imagine yourself in an English country garden or something and having an English breakfast cup of tea. But the self-care is to plan in time to just do nothing. We're always on our phone, we're always distracted by our phone, there's always notifications coming in, there's always things going on, we're always busy, doing. So take time, plan in time to just sit with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or a glass of water, whatever. But the idea is to just sit, leave your phone, don't multitask, sit and listen to the birds or watch the birds or watch the snow, because I don't know where you are, but the weather here has been crazy. But just allow your mind to wander and thoughts to come and just relax. Just take time for you to not be busy, to not go. So sit with your tea and take 15 minutes for yourself. Number 3 is to escape, but not really escape. You don't need to actually go away for a while to clear your mind and to escape from the busyness of everyday life. You can take your treat from the current treasure box, which is some shortbread, one of my favorites, and imagine where you would go on an ideal vacation. What would you do? How would you feel? And then try to imagine how you can bring those things into your everyday life. Would you play in the pool? Maybe you could go more often to your indoor community pool if it's cold outside. Would you go on hikes? You could go on hikes close to your home. Oftentimes we do things on vacation that we love to do, but we don't do at home. So it's a good opportunity to think of what you would do, how you would feel, and bring that into your everyday life. If you feel more relaxed on vacation, then how could you feel more relaxed at home? Is it because someone else is making your bed and all your meals and taking care of everything and you don't have those responsibilities? Or of course you're not at work. What could you do to make it feel a little bit more like a vacation at home? Not to get rid of your responsibilities, but just bring that feeling into your everyday. Number 4 is another reminder. Now, like the bracelet, we're going to use the notepad that's in your treasure box. It's charm pads, which is a little notepad with a gold charm at the top and fits the theme perfectly. So what could you write on one of these notes? hide it in your purse, hide it in your coat pocket, so you're going to find it at a time when you least expect it, and it's going to be a reminder of you to slow down, take care of yourself, or whatever you think you need to remind yourself to do. One note that I like to tell myself is to take more risks. What risks could you be taking? Write on a piece of paper, what risk could I take today? Fold it up and add it to your purse or your jacket, depending on the weather. And when you find it later, see what comes up. See what risk you want to take that day. If it's something that you want to do more on a regular basis, like drink more water, sit up straight, or get up from your computer and walk around, then you can write that on one of these little pieces of paper and washi tape it up where you're going to see it multiple times a day. So next to your computer or where you're working or somewhere that you go on a regular basis. Now, like the bracelet, when you see this every day, all day long, you're going to get used to it and you're just not going to see it. It's just going to blend into the background. So move it, change the washi, maybe change the way you write it. When you realize that you are no longer noticing it, that's the time to change it up, change the way you write it, change the washi, change the place, just so that it's fresh and new and you're going to be able to recognize it and notice it more. And number 5 is to subscribe to the treasure box. Why not let us do all the work for you? Every box, I curate a bunch of different items to help you make more time for yourself in your day. There's always a mini craft that doesn't take long but is always fun, and you get something at the end, whether it be a decoration or something you can use. There's always 2 bags of tea and a treat for you in every box. And it would not be a Hooting Pirate box without stationery, so there's always at least 1 item of stationery. This box has 2, the notepad, and there's another one, but I haven't revealed that. I don't know if I should tell you or not. Okay, I will. It's a planner charm. So you have a charm for your planner or your purse or wherever you want to put it. And there's always a gift. So in this box, it's this Liberty charm bracelet. And it's made by Alpine Angel Bijou, and she's in France. So it's coming all the way from France for you, and it's so pretty and delicate. And I think it looks even better in person than it did online when I was looking for it. Life is busy. We are prioritizing other people and taking care of other people. It's just our nature as women to take care of people. But now it's time for us to take care of ourselves, make more time in our day for a little bit of self-care. Not the big long tub soaks, because there's not always time for that, but there is always time for 5 deep breaths or journaling, gratitude. We can fit those little things into our day. Because who else is going to take care of us if we don't do it? There is a bonus in this box because this box is our 1-year anniversary. So there is an anniversary balloon and there is a contest. So if you are a current subscriber or a new subscriber, you will get a confetti balloon in your box. And all you need to do is to take some sort of creative photo or a video with this balloon, post it to Instagram, tag me. Don't do stories because those expire and I might not see it, but tag me, Care of Incense. We will choose our favorite. So the first prize is your next box is free, and the second and third prize are extra goodies that will be added to your next box. So make sure you subscribe today because the cart isn't open for much longer. The cart closes on Friday. I know how it goes. You think, oh, I'll do that, I've got time, but then you forget. Do it now so you don't forget, and you'll get your box this time because you want to get in so that you can get your bracelet, you can get your planner charm, you can get all the fun stuff in this box, plus you can enter the 1-year anniversary contest. So the link is in the description below. Pop on over. So subscribe today so you don't miss out and you will get your box. They ship out at the end of the month. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm here every Sunday with ideas for your planner, whether that be planning and self-care, functional planning, or decorating your planner. Lots of ideas for you and your planner. Hello and welcome back. Why is it being... Ooh, she makes good cookies. Where's my box? Where's my box? Serious. Yeah? 45, you're on the ice, so get ready now. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. If you made it this far, leave me the Lucky Charm 4-leaf clover emoji in the comments below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.